Are you looking for the best cameras under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best cameras under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7/EOS 2000D. The Canon EOS Rebel T7/EOS 2000D is the best all-around camera we've tested for under $500. Part of Canon's entry-level Rebel lineup, the T7 is a great option for beginner photographers thanks to its simple design and intuitive menu system. While it doesn't have many bells and whistles, this DSLR is built around a solid high-resolution APS-C sensor that's more than capable of taking beautiful photos. It's a great camera to grow your skills with, too, since there's a vast selection of EF and EFS lenses that you can upgrade to if you want to try different photography styles or simply outgrow the kit lens. Of course, at this price point, you can expect a cheaper plasticky build quality than pricier models like the Canon EOS Rebel T8i, and you won't get features like 4K video capability or an articulated screen. Still, for the price, this is a great beginner camera that's sure to expand your photography potential beyond what you may be used to with your smartphone. Perfect for beginners, this camera bundle offers the essential tools needed to take your SLR skills to new heights, all in one convenient package. No matter where your next adventure takes you, count on the EOS Rebel T7's impressive 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and wide ISO range of 100640H12800 to capture high-quality images, even in low-light situations. At number 2. Panasonic LUMIX FZ80. For those who want a DSLR-like shooting experience without the complexity and added cost of additional lenses, an all-in-one bridge camera can be a great cost-effective alternative. The Panasonic LUMIX FZ80 is one of the best bang-for-your-buck super zoom cameras you can get. While it isn't the most portable option, and build quality leaves a lot to be desired, the camera feels pretty good in the hand and comes with plenty of neat extra features. This includes a 4K photo mode that lets you pull stills out of 30 frames per second video clips, along with creative shooting modes for macro and nighttime photography. The big selling point of this camera is its built-in lens, which has a super long zoom range that lets you shoot everything from close-ups to landscapes to far-off subjects like birds and wildlife. That said, its small sensor means you won't get the same level of image quality as a DSLR like the Canon EOS Rebel T7/EOS 2000D mentioned above. However, if you need a cheaper zoom camera for casual sports or family photography, this is a great choice. Perfect for travelers, the Panasonic LUMIX digital camera DCFZ80K brings the legendary optical performance of a super long 60x, 21,200mm, DC Vario lens with amazingly stable OIS, optical image stabilizer, to a highly portable point-and-shoot travel camera. With a powerful 18.1 megapixel MOS sensor, the LUMIX DC Vario camera lens features a super bright f2.85.9 aperture range that is optically stabilized with Panasonic's Power OIS technology to add striking depth of field dimension to your photographs even in low light conditions. The high-resolution power of 4K video technology captures up to 4x the resolution, 3840 by 2160, of standard Full HD, enabling you to create printable photos with 4K photos blistering 30 frames per second burst feature. Post-focus and focus stacking provide for additional creative freedom by allowing you to change depth of field or focus points after you take the picture. The LUMIX FZ80 perfectly fits in your hand with an ergonomic grip, while its rear touch-enabled 3-inch LCD display and high-resolution 170K viewfinder remain clear even in bright sunlight. Convenient travel-ready technologies like USB charging and Wi-Fi connectivity to your mobile device make the LUMIX DC FZ80K a digital camera that everyone can enjoy. At number 3. Panasonic LUMIX ZS80. The Panasonic LUMIX DC ZS80S travel zoom digital camera boasts a 30x optical zoom, 35mm camera equivalent, 24 to 720mm, and LVF, live viewfinder, all packed in a pocket-sized camera body while enabling 4K video/4K photo shooting. A 3.0-inch tiltable rear monitor helps create a variety of selfie shots, including 4K and panorama. The LUMIX DC ZS80S also features a sharp 24mm ultra-wide-angle and 30x telephoto like a DC Vario Elmar * lens, 35mm camera equivalent, 24 to 720mm, with a versatile zoom range to capture virtually any subject, in any situation. The Power OIS optical image stabilizer efficiently compensates for hand shake to minimize blur even in telephoto shooting. This camera incorporates a large 1/2 3-inch MOS sensor with 23 MP high resolution, plus high-speed burst shooting at 10 frames per second AFS/5 frames per second AFC to capture fast-moving subject just in focus and for consecutive shots in RAW. Sequence composition makes it possible to create a stop-motion image by synthesizing multiple images shot at a fixed frame with 4K photo. A unique image reflecting the subject's motion can be easily produced in the camera without needing a special retouching process. The LUMIX DC-ZS80S digital camera integrates Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity for a more flexible shooting experience with instant image sharing. A variety of artistic functions are available with the LUMIX DC-ZS80S point and shoot camera to add fun to your imaging. Selfies can also be shot in panorama, ideal for selfies and group selfies in front of dynamic scenic backgrounds. Disclaimers: *, the Leica DC Vario Elmar lenses are manufactured using measurement instruments and quality assurance systems that have been certified by Leica Camera AG based on the company's quality standards. Keywords: LUMIX, Panasonic LUMIX, digital camera, travel camera, point and shoot, camera, LUMIX ZS80, ZS80, DC ZS80K, DC ZS80S, DC ZS80K, DC ZS80S, ZS80K, ZS80S, ZS80 Black, ZS80 Silver. At number 4. GoPro Hero 10 Black. For action video, there's no better option under $500 than a GoPro. With the newly released GoPro Hero 11 Black, there's also no better time to get the GoPro Hero 10 Black, which gives you top-of-the-line performance and features at a more affordable price. The Hero 10 can record 5.3K video up to 60 frames per second, 4K video up to 120 frames per second, and 2.7K and 1080p video up to 240 frames per second, giving you tons of options to capture various levels of slow motion at different resolutions. It's also waterproof, small enough to take anywhere and mount to almost anything, and comes with a front-facing screen that makes it easy to see yourself while recording. That said, even the Hero 10 isn't exactly cheap as far as action cameras go, but thankfully, older models like the GoPro Hero 9 Black and GoPro Hero 8 Black are still available at lower price points for those on a tighter budget. They use older processors and don't perform as well in low light as the upgraded Hero 10, but you still get plenty of frame rate options and reliably effective stabilization. At number 5. DJI Pocket 2. Vloggers looking to upgrade from their smartphones without breaking the bank can consider the DJI Pocket 2. This unique pocket camera has a built-in 3-axis stabilized gimbal, making it incredibly easy to capture buttery smooth handheld footage. It uses a larger sensor than most smartphones or pocket cameras, resulting in solid video quality and improved low-light performance compared to the original DJI Osmo Pocket. While it doesn't have as many frame rate options as the GoPro Hero 10 Black, it can still record 4K video up to 60 frames per second and even has a slow-motion recording mode in 1080p with higher frame rates. Add an automatic tracking feature that follows subjects as they move around, and you've got a great little vlogging tool for those on a budget. Pocket-sized, DJI Pocket 2 weighs only 116 g and offers up to 140 minutes of battery life. It fits perfectly in the palm of your hand so that you can take it anywhere. DJI Pocket 2 turns on in a second so you can capture photos and videos in an instant. Motorized stabilization, a 3-axis gimbal stabilizes the camera for smooth video on the move. This technology is also great for a crisp photo at any time. The gimbal keeps the camera steady, even for long exposure shots and in low-light environments. High image quality, an upgraded 1/1.7-inch sensor captures images with 64MP photo and 4K video. A sweeping 20mm f/1.8 lens provides a wide, vivid cinematic look. Enhanced audio, consisting of 4 microphones, DJI Matrix Stereo offers sound recording in different directions, as well as audio zoom and soundtrack, which enhance audio based on the camera's direction and focus. Glamour effects, always share your best selfie with glamour effects. Boasting a 93° angle view, Pocket 2 allows for more flexible capture and perfectly composed shots for social media. AI Editor automatically combines your clips with transitions and music to create share-worthy content. Compatible for most smartphones, the DJI Mimo app requires iOS 11.0 and Android 7.0 or above. Compatible devices include iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, 11, S 2020, XS Max, XS, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8, Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, S20, S10, S9 Plus, S8, Note 9, Huawei P40 Pro, P40, P30 Pro, P20 Pro, P20, Mate 30 Pro, Mate 30, Mate 20 Pro, Mate 10 Pro, Honor 30 Pro, 20, Mi 10 Ultra, 10 Pro, 10, 9, Redmi K30 Pro, Vivo X30 Pro, X30, X27, Oppo Reno 3 Pro, OnePlus 8, 7 Pro, Pixel 4 XL, 3 XL, 2, LG V40.